There's an unfortunate trade-off when it comes to the high price of prescription meds in this country. The only way to bring down branded drug prices for many people is to give fewer choices. Despite huge political uproar, campaign speeches, and congressional hearings, pharmacy benefit managers, or PBMs, like CVS Caremark and Express Scripts, are the only ones who have really managed to get drug prices down. But PBMs are no white knights. Here's how they do it. They're basically middlemen. They sit between your insurer and drug makers and negotiate discounts. One PBM tactic is to do deals with drug makers that may, for example, give them the biggest discount, and then refuse to cover similar drugs made by competitors. In 2012, there were just 34 drugs that CVS wouldn't cover. At the beginning of this year, there were 124. And even if drugs aren't formally excluded, it can still be difficult for patients to get advanced and often more expensive treatments because they're not sick enough or they haven't tried a cheaper medicine first. Meanwhile, critics say companies like CVS and Express Scripts reap big profits when they successfully negotiate drug prices. If they negotiate a price of an $80 pill down to $40, a chunk of those savings, often in the form of a rebate, can go to the PBM. The firms say they give much of the savings back to clients, but how much of those savings is tough to tell. The size of the rebates on individual drugs and how much PBMs actually keep are one of the American healthcare system's biggest secrets. As drug prices skyrocket higher, there's room for bigger rebates, which may mean bigger profits. PBM revenue at CVS has grown to $100 billion since it entered the business in a big way almost a decade ago by buying Caremark. PBMs are a uniquely American invention. In Europe, some governments negotiate prices. They also restrict medicines to bring down prices. But the difference is, European governments aren't making money off the negotiations. It's possible that PBMs exist to take advantage of a broken U.S. healthcare system.